Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can check leads on Facebook ads. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply open your browser and just go to facebook.com and just sign in or log in your account on Facebook. You will be directed in here and you will see on the left side panel of the homepage. It will show you some of the options that you can start navigating. We have here Ads Manager, Ad Center, Meta Business Suite, and many more. And in those options, kindly click this Ads Manager, and which upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. As you can see under these campaigns, it will show you all of the leads that you have. And as you can see here, I have new leads campaign, but alternatively, you could also click Ad Sets, Odds, in order to check the specific leads in those category. But as you can see, I only have one leads in here. And if you also want to edit this, just click this edit button. And from here, it will show you how you can edit your leads on this page. But since we're just trying to check the leads on Facebook ads, basically by just simply clicking the Ads Manager, you will be directed under these campaigns in which it will show you all of the leads that you have in your Facebook ads. And by clicking this more option, it will show you other options such as to revert, delete, preview, and even import or export the available ads or leads in here. And aside from that, under this campaign, it will also show you the campaign name, the delivery, the actions, the bid strategy, budget, and even the attribution setting of these specific leads. You can even duplicate these leads if you want to, or even customize by simply editing this or turning this on, off, and even find and replace the leads that you just selected. And aside from that, if you want to see the reports of these leads, just click the reports button right here. And under ads report, it will show you that you have the choices to create new report, view ad creative performance, and even try report templates. But overall, that is just basically how you can check leads on Facebook ads. So if you think this video was helpful, kindly like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.